Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem 3011. Find if an array can be sorted. So we are giving a zero-indexed array of positive integer nums, and in one operation we can swap any two adjacent elements if they have the same number of set bits. So what is the meaning? So for example 8, the set bit is 1 0 0 0, so there's only one set bit. The set bit is the number of ones inside the binary numbers. So for example for 2 it is 1 0 0, there's only one set bit, and similarly for this number 2 there's only one set bit. So this means for 8, 4 and 2 it's going to be inside a group. So we can swap any adjacent if they have the same number of set bits. This means 8, 4, 2 can be swapped with each other. So that's going to be a group. So we're going to return true if we can sort the array in ascending order, else we're going to return false. Definitely for 8, 4, 2, we can sort it in 2, 4, 8 because we can swap any two numbers because they have the same set bit. And similarly for 30 and 15, we also have the same number of set bits. So this means 30 and 15, it can be sorted to 15 and 30. So after that, this is going to be in ascending order, and we just need to compare with the sorted of nums. If the sorted nums equal to this kind of operation, definitely it's going to be true, otherwise it's going to be false. So what kind of method we're going to use? Definitely we're going to use the list groups. So the list groups idea is that we're going to use a while loop to list all the possible numbers inside a group, and then we just need to compare the final result. Now let's just prepare the list group operation. So we're going to prepare I and n and result. So it's going to be 0, length of the nums, I going to be the index, and the result going to be an empty array. And then we're going to use the while loop to check. So j going to be equal to I plus 1 while j less than n and nums j. Here we're going to use bit count. So nums j, any number can call this function. It is called bit count. And we're going to count how many ones. If it is equal to nums j minus 1 dot bit count. So if they are equal, we're going to update the j, and finally we need to extend it into the result array. So it's going to be it's going to be the nums I to j. After that we're going to set the I equal to j, and we just need to return the final result. So this is just a template of list group operation. It seems that something is wrong. Let me just check that. Because I just extended it inside, but I needed to sort it first. So sorted with this nums, and finally I'm going to prepare result with the sorted of nums. Now let me just run it. Now as you can see it works, and let me just submit it to check if it can pass. And the time complexity for this algorithm, it is O(n). Even though we have to while loop, but the I gonna always go forward, and this j is always go forward, so that's gonna be O(n) time complexity. As you can see, it's really fast. Thanks for watching. See you next time.